The concepts of kilowatts kW and kilowatt-hours kilowatt-hour are fundamental to understanding how electrical power and energy are measured, utilized, and billed in both household and industrial settings. kW represents the instantaneous rate of power consumption or production, reflecting how much electricity a device or system uses at any given moment. It's crucial for sizing equipment, managing peak demand, and ensuring that systems operate efficiently. Kilowatt-hour, on the other hand, measures the total energy consumed over time. It represents the amount of power used over a period, which is how energy costs are calculated. In industries, kilowatt-hour determines overall energy expenditure, while kW helps manage load and avoid peak demand charges. In renewable energy systems like solar and wind, kilowatt-hour tells us how much energy is generated and stored, while kW defines the system's capacity. These two units are essential for everything from household appliance efficiency and electric vehicle performance to grid-scale energy management in modern smart grids. Kilowatt kW unit of power. At a more advanced level, kW is a unit used not just for household appliances but also for industrial machines, power generation plants, and even electric vehicles (EVs). Power plants, for example, are often rated in megawatts MW, where 1 megawatt equals 1,000 kilowatts. For industries, accurate power ratings are critical for optimizing energy use and ensuring that equipment operates within safe limits. Devices like electric motors, pumps, and industrial furnaces all have power ratings in kW that define their energy consumption per unit time. Peak power and demand management. In industrial settings, the maximum kW demand during any given period is used to assess the peak demand charges, which can affect the overall cost of electricity. Large consumers of electricity may also be subject to penalties if their peak kW usage exceeds certain thresholds set by the utility. Electric vehicles EV motors are rated in kW. For example, an EV might have a motor rated at 100 kilowatts, which means it can draw or generate up to 100 kilowatts of power while driving. The higher the kW rating, the more powerful the motor, and generally, the quicker the vehicle can accelerate. Kilowatt-hour, unit of energy, kilowatt-hour represents energy, which accumulates over time. In industrial or commercial settings, energy efficiency is key to managing operational costs. The goal is often to minimize kilowatt-hour consumption while maintaining productivity. Energy audits. Businesses often conduct energy audits to evaluate their total kilowatt-hour usage and identify areas for improvement. The audit typically examines each device's kW rating and how long it operates to calculate its total kilowatt-hour contribution to the facility's energy bill. Energy efficiency. Devices such as air conditioning units or refrigerators are rated based on their energy efficiency,